In today's video, we're looking at Odoo Accounting, a business tool that helps you manage invoices, expenses, and reports. But is it the best accounting software for your business? Let's go ahead and break it down. So what is Odoo Accounting? It's part of the larger Odoo suite, an all-in-one platform with apps for sales, CRMs, inventory, and more. The accounting module works on its own, but really shines when connected to the rest of Odoo. Now, what can it do? With Odoo Accounting, you can send invoices and track payments. You can manage your bills and expenses, sync your bank accounts with automatic reconciliations, generate key financial reports like profit and loss or balance sheets, and it can also handle multiple currencies and tax setups. Now, when it comes to the pros, here's what stands out about it. It integrates seamlessly with other Odoo apps. The design is clean and user-friendly. Automation like bank feeds and invoice reminders saves time. It's affordable compared to bigger accounting platforms, especially if you're already in the Odoo ecosystem. Of course, there are a few cons, so setup can feel tricky if you're new to accounting software. Some advanced features may require paid add-ons. Customer support depends on your plan. Free community help versus paid official support. So, who should use Odoo Accounting? This is best for small to mid-sized businesses that want more than just accounting. If you already use Odoo for sales or inventory, adding accounting makes a lot of sense. But if you only need simple bookkeeping, QuickBooks or Xero might be easy to get started with. Now to wrap it up, Odoo Accounting is powerful, flexible and cost effective, especially if you're building an all-in-one business system. It may not be the simplest option for beginners, but for growing businesses, it's a smart choice.